Well, howdy YouTube and rest of the world and my 114 subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Today is July 10th, 2024. It's a Wednesday morning at about 4:30 in the a.m. I've got therapy I'm going to today for my neck and shoulder. After my back popped like day before yesterday, my lower back's actually been feeling pretty good. I don't know. All I know is it actually hurt real bad for about a minute, and then it started not hurting. So that's a good thing, I guess. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. It's my weekend coming up, so yay weekend. I'm gonna go get therapy done, and on the way back try to hit the grocery store. I want to, well, actually I'm gonna go, not the grocery store, but I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and get a water hose and a pressure washer. So yay, good stuff. The pressure washer to take and wash the chip paint off the side of the house. That's how I'm going to do it instead of scraping it. And I found one that it's not real super powerful or anything, but it should be able to take care of most of it, and that's all I'm worried about. So knock back most of it and then paint it again when I get around to painting it here, hopefully sometime. It is what it is. But yeah, gonna try to also get over and do the chicken coop. Try to get some of that out. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain this weekend. I don't know. I haven't tried to look at what the weather's supposed to be. Maybe before I start trying to make plans, I should actually look to see what weather we're supposed to have for the next few days around here. Well, 93 to 60, or 67 to 93. With about a 15% chance. Oh, hey. Today is supposed to be decent. Only an 8% chance tomorrow. 69 to 97. So, yay. Friday is about the same. 69 to 97. 70 to 97 for Saturday. Dang. Actually looks good until next Tuesday, when they actually say in the evening. So, yay. I'm going to try to do a few things outside. Like I say, I'm going to try to get the buying of the pressure washer and water hose. I picked up the extension cord, 100-footer for $20. Yay. I remember when a 100-footer was, oh gosh, $7 or $8. Of course, that's back when our money was actually worth something. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. And one of the girls, I gave her a piece of brisket to cook, because I like the way she cooks, and so I gave her a piece of brisket to cook and let her have some of it, and she brought me some of it, and boy, I had that here I just finished eating it. That's why this is so late. I actually enjoyed it. I had some last night on a couple pieces of bread, and tonight I just ate the brisket with some instant mashed potatoes. Not the greatest mashed potatoes, but good. A little bit of milk and a little bit of the juice from the brisket in there, and yeah, they turned out pretty good. So, yay. And I'm trying to, maintain posture. That's what they wanted me to try to do, and I'm trying to do it more and more. But I get to go get tortured by therapy today. Oh, yay. I don't know why they call it therapy when it's really just a torture session, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm authorized for 10 visits between now and early September. So, yay. Hopefully this will help, and I'll get more into the routine of, keep the neck straight, keep the back straight, and keep the shoulders up and back. Stay strong. It is what it is. But yes, trying to get, therapy done and then go pick these things up. And and then do a little bit of work Thursday around the house. I don't know, I might try to go today and get the laundry out of the way. Because, I need to get laundry done. Why is there always laundry? Because no matter what, when you go to do laundry, you're wearing clothes, and they're dirty. So you always have dirty laundry. Such a positive thing. Yeah. Let's see. Apparently, China and the Philippines are arguing over some water over there in the West Philippine Sea. Still, again, continuing. I don't know about this. It is what it is. Hopefully, China will wake up and decide it's not worth the headache. But they're trying to be bullies, and I hope they suffer the consequences of being bullies. Just saying, choices. Yeah, we all get to make them. The question is, what choice do we suffer, the consequences of? Dance in the middle of the road. I'm rooting for the bumper, and I hope it hurts. That's why I don't get in the middle of the road. I try to avoid that. But hey, dance, your choice, go. Same thing with China. You're choosing to dance in the middle of the road, and I hope it hurts when it hits. Just saying. Anywho, let's see. Trying to, get more positive on my diet. So, mainly meat and veggies. Trying to stay away from the breads and starches, which kind of means I shouldn't eat the little potatoes that I had with the meat tonight, or the bread that I had with it last night. But I am eating just mainly more meat, and trying to not eat too often, trying to cut back on the portion size. So, yay. Oh, what else was there? Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, I'm tired. I didn't get to sleep. Oh, that's what it was. Tried to deal with the Chime app, and I got them removed I got my bank to remove the connection between us, so Chime is going to go bye-bye. I don't like them. Yeah. When you try to give a company money and they argue with you about it, not worth doing business with the company then. Don't get me wrong, it's not really giving them money, it's putting it in their control temporarily, hopefully. But yeah, they just don't seem to. For me, it ain't working. I'm not going to go there with them. I'd rather just carry around cash than Chime. As well, they've proven to me that they're not worth having. So, bye-bye. Snip, snip, clip, clip. I'm getting rid of that card. And probably when I get home and get settled down, I'll try to get it erased off my 2 phones. Get rid of it. Don't need it. Yeah. Who needs a headache, right? Why tolerate something that creates stress? If you don't have to have stress in your life, throw it out. It's just not worth the headache, not worth the upset to deal with. Like I say, I just as soon not deal with all that crap as to tolerate it being there. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired and I want to walk around the building a couple times. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Thank you for being my subscribers, and for those of you who want to, please hit the subscribe, like, and comment also. Notification thingy. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Good morning.